Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person.
Well, I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the
Chris,
scariest
will
thing
you
I
watch
could
over
ever
him when he comes?
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear.
Today, we've got one of the most clueless sovereign citizens ever. He says he's scared of the judge and refuses to show up, but it gets even crazier. These guys think they're above the law, but guess what? The law doesn't care about their made-up rules. The judge shuts him down completely, and it's hilarious. Rate his nonsense from 1 to 10 in the comments, and if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Lanto, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
He came out and went back in.
Okay. Mr. Greco, it's been indicated to me that somebody wants a 30-day adjournment on Mr. Lanto's case for discovery. Is that right?
I wasn't, that's fine with me, Judge, if that's what the request is.
Well, quick objection. The request was, why don't we just drop this right now?
Okay, Mr. Lanto, you understand that you're the one requesting that you be given 30 days to get discovery. It's not the
Well, the first thing I
prosecutor.
want.
You
Okay,
want
the
a
first thing I'd
trial
request-
today? You want a trial today?
Well, I mean, I'd even be willing to, sign a guilty plea today if the court can just produce the factual evidence of jurisdiction. It should be in my file somewhere. I was asking for the same thing up in the Clarkston courthouse, and they send me to the Oakland County Jail.
Mr. Lanto, I'm not gonna produce anything. I don't have to. I'm the judge. And as far as I know, the prosecutor can only produce what he wants to produce to convict. So we're not doing that. Your attorney's asked for 30 days. Do you want the 30 days or do you want to go to trial today?
Well, let's see what the discovery evidence has to say. But first, if they could, very first thing out of there, they could send the factual evidence of jurisdiction. That would be great. It should be a one-page document. If the prosecutor filed it, fantastic.
Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. I would suggest that you listen to your attorney, okay? I'm going to adjourn this matter on his motion for 30 days.
Did you just
say?
Can you
I'm
clarify
going to
something
send
for me?
this to the assignment clerk. Mr. Lanto, you're not listening.
This guy is a solid 10 out of 10 on the clueless scale. What do you think? He walks into court like he runs the place and says, "Let's dismiss this case," as if he's the judge. Where do these sovereign citizens even get this mindset? They act like laws don't apply to them just because they say so, but that's not how the world works. Seriously, is this coming from YouTube or something? It's only gotten worse over time. Huge respect to the judge for handling it like a pro and not letting him slide. Let's get back to it.
See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to adjourn your case for 30 days. I'm going to send the matter down to the assignment clerk. She'll send out a notice. Hopefully your attorney will have the discovery that he wants by then, and we can handle your case. Okay?
Well, have you kind of calmed down a little bit?
What did he say? No. You're all set.
It seems like you were
leave the
getting
meeting.
angry. It seems like you were getting angry.
No, Mr. Lanto, you can leave the meeting. We'll see you in 30 days or so. Clerk will send you a notice.
Well, I just want the record to show I've asked these same questions in several courts and nobody has said I'm talking crazy.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first time somebody said I've been anything but reasonable in a courtroom.
Huh. That's amazing.
Huh, right.
You're talking like you know all about the law, and it doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, then let me ask a few questions for clarification.
You don't need to ask any questions. We'll deal with it in 30 days, Mr. Lanto.
Wait, we can't ask simple logical questions today?
This guy needs to quit while he's ahead. The judge is being way more patient than he should be, considering how ridiculous this dude is acting. It's like he wants to get hit with contempt. We all know you can't just walk into court and try to game the system like this. The judge keeps giving him chances, but he won't stop pushing it. And let's be real, he's the last person who should be talking about logic. Nothing he said makes any sense. Total clown move.
Ask your attorney when you see him.
Like I said, I'd be willing to sign the guilty plea and just, be done with this if I just see the factual evidence of jurisdiction, number one. And
That's
then
what
number
we're
two,
asking for discovery.
okay, and then the proof of jurisdiction is going to be in there? Is that, I'm asking a simple logical question. It's either yes or no, the proof is going to be in there or not. It's very simple. It's very logical, actually.
Well, let's see.
Mr. Lanto, I think maybe you ought to come into court in person next time, and your attorney will be here in person, and we can talk about it. So when you get that letter,
Well,
can I put on there that he's in person? I'm gonna indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person. You know where the courthouse is?
well, I feel like
Exactly.
I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the
Chris,
scariest
will
thing I
you
could
watch
ever
over
hear.
him when he comes?
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear. And that's coming from a very reasonable person.
Okay, we'll see you in person in about 30 days, whatever date the assignment clerk gives you. And you come into court and we'll take care of business, okay?
So what does it mean to take care of business and I got to come in person and you're going to assign a police officer to me? And then you said I'm talking crazy.
No, you got it
Did I
reversed.
just recall what was said on the record? Did I just recall that correctly?
You said no, you said it in reverse. I said first that you're talking some crazy talk. Then I said, I'm gonna adjourn it for 30 days. And then I said, because you're worried about it, that I'd have an officer watch over you while you're in court. We'll see you in 30 days.
Do you think he'll actually show up in 30 days? I'm guessing yes. Deep down, he knows the judge has jurisdiction, he just won't admit it. But wow, not only are his teeth a mess, so is his logic. He spent the whole time playing the victim, even to the point where the judge called him crazy. He really thinks he can just talk his way out of this, but that's not how the law works. Next time, he should let his attorney do the talking because he's only digging himself deeper. Even if he does show up, I can't wait to see what nonsense he tries next. This was pure entertainment. His arguments weren't even the usual sovereign citizen stuff, they were all over the place. He even called out the judge and claimed he was too scared to show up in person. At this point, he's just stalling, either because he can't afford his fine or just wants to waste taxpayer money. Either way, total clown move. That's a wrap, guys. Let me know what you thought about this court hearing. I love reading your comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Take care.